Good morning, everybody. Matrix here, and here's a trade recap for June 13th. Okay, bring in my P&L in here real quick. As you can see, I'm having a red day. This long on Facebook red for the 22 bucks. This was a fat finger, okay? And I took a total of 4 trades, including the fat finger. That would be the 5th trade. And let's go over what I did today. Okay, so let's go with AMD first, real quick. Let's pull an AMD chart and open this up. Now, with AMD, overall, the daily chart has been pretty strong. I mean, we have a very consistent base here, like support at around the 32, 31.80s area. So my idea was to long it if it holds this base. And as you can see right now, it's unable to hold. What I did today on AMD is basically at the open when I saw it fail. From here, I saw this big wick got bought up. Let me zoom in here real quick. At the open, I saw this wick and the massive volume get bought up. So on this candle, I took it long, and around the 32 area, and tried to long it back up, and it did. And I gave it a stop of a little bit under it. Right. I gave it. I think I gave it this stop because I got in. Yeah, this is my stop. I got in on this red candle. It filled me in at around the highs here, and it basically just stopped me out. And then eventually, when it came back down and tested, this was a double bottom. So I took the trade again, and I tried again, and I gave the stop this time a little bit more. I think I gave it to right about there, and then it came back up, tested the VWAP. I couldn't get it above the VWAP, and it basically failed and stopped me out, and that was basically it for the day. It refused to hold the base here, and that was it. My idea of the long was to get it back up to at least the opening print here at the 32.30s to give me a nice 2.5 to 1 or 2 to 1. It almost gave me a 1 to 1 here, but I didn't take it, so it stopped me out. So just trying out the probabilities. I mean, it held the base a little bit, tried to round up, and it just refused. So from there, basically that was it on AMD. 2 tries. And then we have Facebook. Let me shrink this back up here. Facebook yesterday on the chart here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart. We have this massive dump from yesterday, right? So this here was a key resistance area I was looking at, as well as right here is this area. I was looking at the resistance areas of this, and then as it was coming up, I basically took a starter size on it. Let's zoom out real quick here and bring out the 1-minute chart. As it was coming up, I took a starter size on this candle, I believe, and then it popped through and over. My stop was a little bit about high days. I took it on this candle. It popped over, stopped me out, and then it came down again. And from here, when it snapped, I took it again on this red candle, and I gave it 2 stops. I gave it 1 stop here, and then another stop at the higher day. Okay, so I took the trade here as it snapped down, and I didn't pay myself when it got to the VWAP. I was looking for this fail, and basically it ran back up on me and stopped me out here, stopped me out a little bit, and then came down, held, and then from here it stopped me out over And that was it. Just testing the probabilities. It couldn't fail the VWAP. So I'm just going to take my licks on the day. So far, I mean, Facebook, overall, the chart, I still like it short. It's just probably going to take its time. As you can see, it shows a pretty clear top right here at the 77.50s area. So, and right now it's looking like it's going to work now. I'm just waiting for the backside. I mean, I'll wait until this uptrend snaps, right? Currently, we are still in an uptrend, so we have the lows here. Okay, let's mark off these lows. We have the lows here, and then we also have a higher low from around here, and then this one now it's testing this previous higher low. If this snaps under, then you'll know, and that the stocks are able to make another higher low, then you know that we are into the backside. So what I'm waiting for is basically this snap, which is happening right now, come back up and test, and then short it from around the 177 again. As long as it stays under 177, I'll try it again and go for the backside. Okay, so that's basically it for my recap. Like I said, 4 trades, uh, all 4 red. Gonna take my licking, probably a little bit too early on the front side here, and I might or might not try again to short Facebook. And if I am gonna try, I'm gonna try uh, maybe just one more time. But that's basically it, because I definitely do not want to overtrade right now. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. Ciao.